In Forex trading, the concepts of range and trend are fundamental to understanding price movements and making informed trading decisions. A range refers to a period in which a currency pair's price moves within a well-defined horizontal range or channel. In other words, the price is contained between a specific support level at the bottom and a resistance level at the top. During a range-bound market, traders often observe relatively consistent highs and lows without a clear upward or downward trend. Traders may choose to trade within the range by buying at support and selling at resistance until a breakout occurs. A trend is the general direction in which a currency pair's price is moving over a certain period. It can be categorized into two types: uptrend, a series of higher highs and higher lows; downtrend, a series of lower highs and lower lows. Key points: trading in a range. In a ranging market, traders may look for opportunities to buy at support and sell at resistance. These levels offer potential entry and exit points for short-term trades. Trading a trend. In a trending market, traders aim to ride the price momentum in the direction of the trend. Buying in an uptrend and selling in a downtrend are common strategies. Breakouts, a significant price movement beyond a range or a trend's boundaries, is known as a breakout. Breakouts can signal the potential beginning of a new trend or a continuation of an existing one. Sideways markets, where price moves within a range, can be challenging for traders. It's crucial to exercise caution and consider shorter-term trading strategies or seek opportunities in other markets. Identifying trends and ranges. Technical analysis tools, such as trend lines, moving averages, and oscillators, help traders identify trends and ranges. Fundamental analysis can also provide insights into potential market trends.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free consultation? Go to the Forex Academy website. Select Consultant Appointment in the main menu and finally set up an appointment to talk with our experts.
We express our gratitude for your attention. Forex Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.